Well, I have my Trainmon 5 up, my drone ready, my radio, and my zoom with my dead cat because that will block the wind. Hey everybody, it's Mark the Lost Traveler, and it's train time. Well, as you saw before the video, I think I now have all the tools I need to monitor and catch trains instead of just standing in one spot for 3 and 4 hours. I got that Trainmon 5 that I'm now a member with, and then I got on a couple Facebook pages. I have my scanner and drone now with that Zoom 1 microphone with a dead cat on that, so that'll muffle out a lot of the wind sound. So according to my Trainmon 5, there's a train coming here in about 3 minutes, so let's get the drone up. I gotta say, having the right tools no matter what job you have makes it a lot easier, and having that Trainmon 5 now along with my scanner makes it a whole lot easier, at least for me. I don't have to sit around 2 or 3, 4 hours waiting on a train. I can just hop on the Trainmon 5 now and can see where everything's at pretty much, and that makes it a whole lot easier. Got the drone up, got a couple of good shots there, and I think that's gonna do it from here. And on that note, travelers saying, see you by the rails.